Welcome to the most important moment in your machine learning journey. It's supervised learning, the absolute backbone of predictive AI system. This is how your email filter spam, how bank detect fraud, and even how YouTube decide which video to show you next. By end of this lecture, you're gonna learn the basic concepts of machine learning, starting from supervised learning. You're gonna understand regression, classification, use cases, and much more. Let's jump directly to the most important part here today. What's exactly a supervised learning? It is not just a chapter in machine learning. It's the foundation of almost everything you will build in data science. It's where prediction become real. You feed the machine with historical input and the correct output, both of them. The model here finds a pattern, and then, boom! It can predict future output even on data it has never ever seen before. Think of it as past data like a teacher, ML like student, and the outcome gonna be the graduation itself. And supervised learning is when you train model using input-output pair. Every input has the correct answer, and the machine job is to figure out the relationship. Mathematically, we call it function f of x equal y. Your job is to help the model learn that function from data. No rules. I'm gonna give you an example here. Imagine f of x have age or salary or even some pixel value, and the output here y gonna be like spam or not spam, numeric value like house price. So let's have a real example. I give you a model like 100 of example of email. This is gonna be your input here inside function f of x, and whatever it was spam, this is gonna be your output. So basically it's gonna learn the pattern. Next time if gonna see a new email, it predict if it's spam or not. That's a real intelligence, my friend.